Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, regularly changing the hotspot password gives you peace of mind knowing that your network is secure and that only authorized users have access. It provides an additional layer of security and control over who can connect to your hotspot. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that tap on the hotspot and connections option. Okay, and here click on personal hotspot. So, select the hotspot settings option. After that, here you can change the hotspot password on your device to your desired one. Once done, click the checkmark icon to save the changes. Okay, changing the hotspot password allows you to enhance the security of your mobile hotspot and ensure that only authorized users can connect to it. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.